Well, y'all asked for it. And let me know what we should destroy next video.
Previously.
Yes! I'd probably be sick if we didn't do that again. Thanks. And back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Once again with another installment of our favorite series that I don't have a name for yet. Buying cheap shit online and then unboxing it. Sounds pretty sick. Yeah, we'll go with that. So if you guys don't know how the series works, we've done it in the past with 6ix9ine. We've done it with a whole bunch of other people. This is a series where we go shopping online, try to find the cheapest like chains or rapper merch with the rapper that you guys suggested. Then later on in like a week or two, once it arrives, I film the next part we posted to YouTube. All in one video, so you guys will see the unboxing of anything that we purchased today, which is sick. Hopefully I purchased some like flashlights or something for my collection. Maybe even better. And also, as always, for our audience engagement, I give away pretty much everything that I get in this video. I might keep a few things just for like prank purposes or whatever I decide to do with those items. But most of the stuff will be given away. All you guys gotta do is thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, subscribe, follow my Instagram. You have one more step that I'll tell you later on. And you guys have one more step I'll tell you later on in the video in order to win these items. With that being said, I got one more announcement, so you guys don't kick my ass down below. So one thing I do want to say on a serious note, I know this is an XXXTentacion video. Now, apparently on YouTube, these are like kind of sketchy to make, which is kind of weird to me. I love watching videos that people make on him because I think he's sick. However, I also do see in the comment section of most videos, people are like, hey, stop using his name for views, which I don't really get because a lot of videos that I see of people making videos of him, they're like fans of him, they're just trying to put out good content. However, I guess I do get it or whatever. So one thing I do want to do just to show you guys that I do respect, you know, what he's done and him as a rapper, and that I'm not only doing this for money and views, is a large portion of the money I do make from this video, I will be donating to the XXXTentacion Foundation, which I'll show you guys in a screenshot later this month when I actually see how much I earned throughout the month. It might be $1,000 depending on how this video goes, I'm not sure yet. But that's what we're doing. RIP to X. Leave comments down below what you guys think about him. But from here, let's go grab the computer and go shopping online and see what kind of X merch we can buy. Peep the hoodie, by the way. Thumbs up down below for this. I think this is sick. Toothpaste on it. Awesome. Alright, now that we're pre-gamed with some a lot of anxiety medicine, let's get shopping. I just think it's a better experience for all of us if I do it this way. So, we're starting on Amazon. We're just gonna search Tentacion, so much for medicine working. So I'm trying to just once again find the cheapest stuff, like this type of thing. I feel like we kind of want to focus on chains. The only reason for that is because I feel like chains are really popping right now, and I also have a bunch of merch hauls coming in with X stuff, especially his new branding that he just dropped, like his actual stuff. I think that's fire. Just waiting for it in the mail. We're going cheap, boys. We're going real. What the fuck? Sorry for my. What is this? That's kind of sick. It's not that, but it's kind of sick. I don't know, we might add that to the cart. How much is it? How much is it? $3.91. We're adding it to the cart right now. Oh, I want that. Alright, so we got grills and stuff. What else we got here, boys? I feel like Amazon isn't going to have a lot of crap. Like, this is weird. This is weird. Alright, I'm already off it. I'm already over Amazon. This is sick. Dang! We might have to get that. We might have to get that. So what I want, we're going to add that to cart. You know what? We're gonna go on my favorite website, Standards, right now. STN. They always hook up the stuff, you know what I'm saying? So maybe you're able to get some stuff for free if I do this. Strategy, boys. Oh, and we're on. Merry Christmas to me, it says. Site-wide 30% off. So one thing I kind of wanted to do or ask you guys is, what do you guys think about X? You know, right off the bat, yes! I didn't even know they had this one. So we gotta get this. He's got kind of a broken heart tattoo on his face. I think it's on his left side. Add to cart, there we go. So, what do you guys think about X? Now, I know a lot of people are gonna be like, man, you're not a fan, da 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 da. You know, I was a fan before he passed away, which is annoying to me how people always, yes! Okay, so I'm not gonna get this yet, maybe I will, but this is like Trippy Red's chain. I've seen this on the website before. Y'all let me know if we should. It's like Trippy Red, also Lil Uzi Vert has this, so if you guys want a video of that, I might do that. Anyway, let me talk for a second. Now, X. I feel like it's really, really weird how a lot of people just really judge on the fact of like, oh, you're only a fan once he died. Now, I was a fan before, but I'm not gonna lie. I think I was more of a fan once he passed away, and it's just kind of sad how that stuff works. Do you know what I mean? It's just like, you know, it's the famous saying, you don't understand how much you love something until it's gone. So I think that's really normal. I think it's really stupid how people just completely judge. We gotta get the Cuban, man. This thing looks sick. Now I know he always wore chokers. He was probably one of the first rappers I really saw wearing those chokers type bling, type, whoa, medicine's hitting, type blinged out chains. So I gotta add that for sure. Man, this looks sick. You gonna watch the video real quick? Nah. I gotta lag the computer. I got too many P-ROM tabs busting out right now. Anyway, yeah, I just think it's a weird mindset that people have. I think it's a very childish mindset, and I think a lot of the kids actually that listen to him, or a lot of people that listen to him, were kids. So I get it. They haven't lost a huge rapper in their lives yet. But I just think it's really dumb how that whole thing works. I think if people are fans of him at any point in time, I think that's good no matter when or how they're fans. But that's just my piece. You guys let me know down below. We need this too, bro. Oh, we need this too. Oh, see the white gold. I always saw him wearing the white gold style of stuff. Once again, I think so. He also had that really, we're gonna try to find that really long chain he always wore. It's like a dog chain. It comes down to his belly button pretty much. Anyway, that's just one thing I like had in mind that I wanted to kind of bring up in this video, because I just want to hear, what am I don't know, an 8? I got a tiny wrist, bro. I'm like a little elf when it comes to wrist size. Add to cart. Wish got a lot of cheap stuff, bro. A lot of stuff on Wish is absolutely free as well. So we're gonna check that out. Maybe we'll get some free stuff off here. Ramen noodles. Yeah, I want that. I think I was gonna buy that last time, but I forgot. See, that's how EXO is wore it. You know what I'm saying? Just like that. Oh, yeah, baby. What are we looking at right here? Oh my God. What is this? Selena Gomez Love Snack. Yeah, men's fashion t-shirt. Yeah, I'll get an XL on that for show. Y'all let me know if you dig this portion of the video. This is when I can actually talk to you guys real talk, but also out of my mind, medicated. That's for damn sure, but I need it. I don't need it, but I like it. I do need it. I'm kind of a wild one, and it kind of calms me down, which is hard to believe. I need this too, baby, for my new phone. What's my new phone that I'm gonna get? I feel like I should get an XS next. Yeah, we're gonna close it right here. I'm gonna do a little bit more shopping, figure out what I really want to purchase. I'm gonna wait for it to come in the mail, and we're gonna give some away to you guys, but I'll see you guys in a couple days, which is gonna be in this video, which is wild, and I'll be in a better mind state. That's for damn sure. Appreciate y'all for watching this portion. Let's head to the Bat Cave real quick. Oh my God, the Batcave's in the same room. This is crazy, so I was finished off a chunk of ham. So this is pretty much the next day. Standard shipped this stuff mad fast, which is also where this package came from. So I got a lot of stuff from Amazon, but it didn't come fast enough. This standard stuff came fast. And feeling a box, I realized I got a lot of stuff from them. So I'm just gonna do this unboxing right now, and the stuff that we got from Amazon, I'll throw in maybe one of his merch hauls later on. This isn't sponsored, but maybe, I guess it is, I'm not sure. The guy's a big fan of the channel and what we're doing here, so whenever I want a piece, he just sends it out to me, and it kind of makes sense. If I get it for free, then I can spend the money that I would have spent on the items shipping it out to you guys. I could be asked for money, but I'm trying to keep it real with this series, if y'all get what I'm saying. But anyway, let's get into this box to see what kind of XXXTentacion chains we got. Oh my God, boys! Alright, let me pick up all these pieces. It's like a puzzle that I can actually fix. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things to unbox right now. Once again, all things that I think XXXTentacion would wear. Plus, honestly, any other rapper, that's what they're going with right now. First package! How's this open? Damn it! That was a nice package, man. Oh yeah, it was worth breaking it. All right, so the first thing we got, I never gotten anything from this website like this, but as y'all can see, we got the straight up, I think this is a Cuban link chain right here in like the white gold with all the diamonds on it. Everyone's trying to do diamonds lately, so I thought, hey, let's hop on the bandwagon to do it also. This is a choker one! Okay. All right, we got like the wild clasp right here. I did see him wearing some type of stuff like this. As I said earlier, I've always wanted to try one of these on. I don't wear fake stuff, but one of my main goals right now is like trying to get enough money so I can actually rock one of these real ones. Maybe not this type of length, but oh my God, bro. I feel like Kim Kardashian when she got robbed. Really vulnerable. This thing is sparkling, bro. This is one of the things I'm gonna be giving away. Also, I'm gonna say right now, the last thing you need to do is when you follow my Instagram, hit me up with a message, and that's how I'm gonna pick you. But I'm gonna be picking, I think, 2 winners to ship out like a lump sum of this stuff too. I think is what I'm gonna do instead of one piece. Or you guys let me know down below. I can switch it up. Next. So this one right here, I don't know if I've ever seen him wearing something like this. boys. Maybe he has, I'm not sure. I think this is called the tennis chain though. And that's how that looks on. Oh my god, bro. Man, this thing's sparkling white. I think it's wild. If only my teeth could match it, that would be sick. Alright, next up, I know I'm going really speedy through, but I'm really trying to get to this one piece that I'm so stoked for. Oh yeah, okay. So this is to match the necklace. I saw X wearing bracelets, stuff like that. And once again, it's still blinging. We got that white gold effect. Personally, on my own skin, I dig the white gold just because I think yellow gold, like, I'm a little too white for that. You know what I'm saying? This, I wear it and I look all of a sudden tan because this is real white. This is just pasty white boy white. Gonna do this up right here. There we go. We're locked in, boys, like my first relationship. Don't ever get whipped. It's not worth it. No matter how great she looks. Actually, I'll take that back because she's like a 10. You do whatever she says. Yes! Okay, so that's what I thought. This one right here is kind of the same thing as this, but I really wanted to try out lengths. Also, this is gonna go with the pendant that I'm about to show you guys. This is the exact same thing as we saw right here. I don't know if y'all could see the sparkling as much as it actually is. It's like blinding to my eyes. It's like the first time I saw a Lisa Ann video. God, is she great. Why did she quit, by the way? Now she's doing like sports podcasts or something. Like, yo, go back to the tube. Locking in and locked. Like my ex-girlfriend's jaw. She really wasn't able to provide me with as much as I wanted from her. This one I didn't even ask for. This one's real simple. Just a silver long chain right here. I don't know if this is real silver or what, but I'll definitely be sending this out to one of you guys. So I'm not even gonna open it. But the last one, the thing that I've really been waiting for, the thing that's really, really X-oriented. Oh my god! We got the broken heart pendant right there, boys. It's on his face. It's got a lot of songs of broken heart stuff, you know, Remedy of a Broken Heart, I think one of them is. There's tons of stuff like that. But anyway, this one's all blinged out. Anyway, that's that. What I was really hoping for, I thought this would go on here, but this part right here isn't thick enough. So I think this is why they added this tennis chain so we could put it through there. God, this is like my first experience. It just didn't happen. Never mind, I messed up. I have to open this one. Apparently the last chain was too thick, which makes me sound really sick after the last comment I just made about not getting it in. And we are locked and loaded like my balls. So this is a real sick setup right here. Now I actually feel like a rapper. If y'all see me at the club with this stuff, don't call me out, alright? Anyway, boys, that's the haul we have today. We got this stuff, we got this stuff. I feel like this is some type of stuff I would see X wearing, maybe just this and this together. Anyway, y'all let me know what you thought about this video. That is it. I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all are mad dope. We're murking the game, the greatest of all time. And also, once again, good luck with the giveaway. And also let me know who we should do next. If it's Trippy Red or whoever or whatever you guys want to see, I'm always down to take suggestions. It's literally all my videos. I want to give you guys what you want to see anyway. I appreciate y'all for watching. Hit every ad on this video and watch till 10 minutes at least so we can get a little more ad revenue because we want to make money. Appreciate y'all. Blow.